It's obvious. The Green and Yellow Sundowns, one of the best team in the country, in the continent, probably maybe one of the. And like it's the best team in the country, in the continent, one of the best. For me, if not number one, number two in the Mabanga mindset, mangaba right.
Yeah.
How they play go Club World Cup set volume. It speaks volume. Gucci against high profile teams. I mean, Sundowns idlala ngendlela efuna ngayo. Yabona ngoba ukufika la ifike khona siyazi ukuthi they never abaphumanga out kuma group stages, but how they play I'm fit but set the standard and the players individual abanawo repair how he scores and ngibonile is going back to Sundowns again and Rangers improve wrong yabona went to and like going to Sundowns scoring vital goals lapha kulela enkuleko mfethu bebangadlani namnam le team that they were best in terms of structured teams akusema team is good to break nje. So playing there basetele sa standard coming to Betway Premiership 4 years mina nyabanika enero are they still bane squad is strong and mfethu sikhuluma nge-national team. So Sundowns mfethu mina ngihlala ngikhala nami philosophy. Well done to this coach Mikel Cardoso. When I saw him there mangimbona ku Club World Cup the way adlala engakhona
it was different.
A different person. Yeah ngimcomplimentile because lapha
in the Champions League, if he could believe in himself, attacking football.
It's a depth of concentration to be beaten by this team. When you check on the stand, the players that they've got, problem. One of the best understanding strengths of one another. The way they defend is how they attack.
So they will win the league again.
Simple for me, and this year. For me, Mangipega, if I look at, I think it's eyes opener for them. It's a mindset. With all parents, first, that is into light. They will win their first round games. I think Bangaluzanga for me.
Opa made you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.